Abo- 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 Abortions in India have always been very hush-hush. But do they really have to be? Annually, 15.6 million abortions take place in India.
This means that respectful and non-judgmental access to abortions is a necessity for reproductive health and rights.
But the stigma surrounding abortions would mean that women have to go through shame and guilt while choosing their physical and mental health.
Alongside access to healthcare services, stigma-free conversation becomes an equally important part when it comes to ensuring safe, timely and respectful abortions.
While India's legal landscape recognizes the need for quality abortion care through progressive laws, we wanted to understand what Indians have to say about this.
So we conducted an opinion survey with over 13,000 respondents. While conducting the survey, we got diverse viewpoints from a diverse group of people. The urban and rural audience,
Representing different genders, various education levels, and age groups.
And with the topic being so hush-hush, India surely must be against it, right? Wrong.
As many as 72% of people in India believe that abortions should be legal.
People want legal abortions. The law offers legal abortions. Then where's the gap?
one of the biggest reasons women resort to unsafe methods of abortions is patriarchal norms.
When it comes to unmarried women, the support goes down to 61%.
As if having a ring around your finger opens the portal to more choice.
Interestingly, older women were more supportive of unmarried women getting abortions than women under 24 years of age. Is it because they understand the challenges of going through an unplanned pregnancy alone, or because of the taboo against premarital sex? We would never know.
What we do know, however, is that unmarried women need support, not disappointed tears. Their need to terminate pregnancies often stems from bigger challenges.
Not having enough resources, not feeling mentally ready, being worried about society's judgment are only some of the factors.
The younger generation is also way more uncomfortable discussing the topic of abortions than people in their 30s and older.
What are we doing, Gen Z? We're all for abortions, but only if they're in the sanctity of marriage and perform like a secret mission? No wonder there's still so much stigma.
One of our most alarming findings was that only 29% of the respondents think that women should have bodily autonomy. You know, the thing which enables them to make decisions about their own body.
Although Indian law recognizes women's bodily autonomy in case of abortions, in reality, even doctors sometimes ask permission from their husband dearest.
What can change this?
Better education with more and more discussions is key. Even a basic level of education can increase acceptance and comfort levels when it comes to abortion.
The need of the hour is conversations. Conversations to dispel myths. Conversations to increase knowledge. Conversations to share personal stories and extend support.
This will only be one step towards ensuring a future where no one feels guilty while exercising their rights and choosing their health.
Raising our voice for choice empowers everyone to exercise their rights and make decisions about their own bodies.